Well, I'm gonna show you an unboxing of the Avanti airbrush compressor combo kit that my son Cameron bought me for Father's Day. He gave, I think, $70 for it on sale at Harbor Freight. I'll read you what it says on the box here. It's for lacquer, enamels, oil and water-based airbrush paints. Consistent flow, silent design, gravity feed airbrush. Dual action airbrush for precision control. Let's see. It's got a dual brush holder, which is right here, and the air regulator to set the pressure and flow, the gauge, nice lighted on and off switch, fluid trap, catch water and oil from going out into your paint, gravity feed airbrush with higher fluid flow and productivity, consistent flow without delays. Top mounted cup allows you to get closer to your target for more precise applications. One airbrush is included. It's got an ergonomic grip, dual action smooth trigger actuation for your air and your paint, cup cover, 0.30mm stainless steel nozzle. It's chemical resistant PTFE fluid seals for longer life. It's got a 10-foot braided hose, which is quality. Got your 1/8 BSP female to 1/4 inch BSP male air hose adapters that come with it. Instruction manual. Comes with a paint transfer bulb, nozzle removal tool, 10mm cup with cap, and a gravity feed airbrush, and a quick connect coupler. And I believe that's all the details. It does an extra fine detail, medium detail, and a wide detail. I'm gonna use this to make custom die casting Hot Wheels and custom fishing lures. Here, let me show you the airbrush right quick. Comes in its own plastic padded case. It's a basic airbrush, but it's good. It'll do what I need to do. Comes with a fluid transfer bulb, your nozzle tool, your airbrush with a cap on the reservoir. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Remember, it's just $70. Can't beat that with a hammer. I figured this would cost you $300 somewhere else. It's got the cooling fan, your rubber suction cups on the bottom to help with the vibration and the noise. It's 120 volt AC, 60 hertz. 1/4 inch BSP air outlet, 43.5 to 58 PSI max. It says indoor household use only, but I'll be using it outside a lot. As long as you don't let it rain on it or nothing. It's heavy duty, it's a heavy little thing. There's your lighted. I definitely would buy it.